Hey guys, it's Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is May 9th, 2015. This will be a video chart on ICLD. ICLD is a low price stock that caught some momentum over the last week and a half, and these types of plays have been very hot. No volume, and then just bam, volume all of a sudden shows up out of nowhere. Went from $1 to $2.50, big time gap, to $4, 100% plus move. And then you've kind of had really wide ranges on ICLD the last few days. So this is a great day trader, and it's been a pretty good day trader both ways. The last four sessions you've kind of exchanged turns. The bulls had a good run yesterday, but as you can see, they closed it well off the high. So if you got a short in up near high a day, you were able to make 10% plus. The day before, you had a move to the downside, but there had been an initial move higher. So again, you could have played that move up or could have shorted it near the highs. Just bottom line point I'm trying to make is that there's good activity here for longs and shorts alike right now. So if you're an active trader, this is certainly a stock you want to be watching, and you probably already are watching. So daily setup here to me is nice and simple relative to $4. Over under $4. If you can stay around $4, then I'm looking for a test on this 450 level. But if you are backing away from $4, then I'm looking for a move back down towards 350, where you had some congestion on Thursday and Wednesday. And then at 350, it would be an over under 350 setup. Want to break this down to a minute chart so we can get a look at that a little more closely. So here you see 15-minute chart right now. So what this shows, you had a nice gap up from May 1st to May 1st, from May 1st to May 4th, sorry. You closed around 260, and then on the following Monday you gapped into the $3 range, made a really nice push before coming back down. But when you did come down, you held the base of the gap and were able to then rally again. So there's a couple open gaps here. Now the first new one, I should say, is on Friday, just the other day. You gapped up to $3.70. Held that gap and made a nice push higher. So watch 370 as key momentum support right here, right now. If you come below 370, then I'd look for a gap fill to Thursday's close, which Thursday's close was at $3.35. Below 335, you start to be in a bit more trouble to the downside, and all eyes would be on this crucial support right around $3. Pretty obvious to see. Just had a couple bounces off of it this past week. So 370 first key level, 335 next, and then $3 absolutely crucial support. Get below $3, this play is over. It is likely going back towards $2 where this move started from. Again, that's all relative to downside action versus $4. As for the upside though, if you can hold that 370 area, then I would look for bounces back on $4. And then if you can stabilize above $4, I'm looking for more upside. Mention the $4.50 high. Above $4.50, this thing would open up big time, as you don't have any real volume resistance. Just look at this 15-minute chart. I mean, volume's non-existent for the last month, couple months, and I looked at a daily chart that went back even further. It's even more non-existent. So get above 450. You could have a big time squeeze on this thing, as I'm sure there are a number of people short, and you could push 5 and then $5, one of those psychological levels where if you get above 5, you can make another squeeze up towards 6. So ICLD, good momentum, good open to close ranges, nice wide daily ranges for active trading. Keep your eye on it. Good scalps both ways. 370 key support right here, $4 resistance. Get above and hold for. You can look for that move up towards Friday's high of 450.